Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to know who asked you on Tellonym. Alright, so the first thing you need to understand is that there are limits of anonymity on this popular Q&A platform, and this is related to what you can and cannot discover about anonymous senders. Alright, so it is true anonymity by design. So Tellonym is built from the ground up to protect senders' identities, and the platform does not reveal who sent you a tell, and this is a fundamental feature and not a limitation. So once you understand this, then you will understand why it is designed like this. Now, even your premium subscribers will only receive limited hints like shared followers or approximate location data. The exact identity remains hidden, preserving the anonymous experience, and that's like the whole point, okay? So if there's a message that is seriously violating laws or law enforcement can formally request senders' information, but it will require official police involvement and legal procedures, which is not available to a regular user. Now, also, beware of scams. External services claiming to unmask anonymous senders are most likely fraudulent. These reveal tools are designed to steal your data or even your money, so do be very careful. Avoid them absolutely completely.